Hey everyone, it's Rob from All Things Wood, Heat, and Maple. Getting ready to do a video about making maple sugar. Look out for that one, but I pulled this off our shelf. This is a can of unfiltered maple syrup I did 11 months ago. You've got mold. You can see that little layer right there. Sometimes it's thick, sometimes it's thin. But here's what you do if you do have mold in your jars. Don't throw it away. It's really easy. Check it out. That's what it looks like from the top, just kind of floating there. So what you want to do is take a spoon. You're going to get inside there and try and scoop it all up as best you can. You see I've got a spoonful right there. We're just going to toss that out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this syrup and we're going to put it into a container. But like I mentioned, this is unfiltered. And what I do is I pack my maple syrup. I let it settle so I don't have to play with those filters. Check out the video above if you want to see that. What we're going to do is I'm going to pour it gently into a pot. And now all I'm going to do is we're going to take this syrup. We're going to bring it up to 180 degrees. 180 to 190 is a canning temperature. Once you do that, then you can either pop it, cool it off, put it in your refrigerator, or you can put it into a clean jar, recan it at the 180, and it's good to go. Put it on your shelf, and you can use it whenever you need it. If you're interested in making maple syrup, check out the link above. I got a playlist for everything for the backyard maple syrup maker. We'll see you on the next one.